Hi everyone, welcome back to Surprises with Story. I'm Story. Today we have something super fun. We have the Disney Doorables Squish'alots, and this is the little Gumball machine. Oh my gosh. So it says it's the capsule surprise machine, but we all know it's a Gumball machine, right? So we have, this is super cute. So this has 6 exclusive Squish'alots, and it shows you the ones they have. It's Vanellope, Olaf, Minnie Mouse, Ralph, Mickey, and Stitch. So I'm not sure how this works, but let's try to figure it out. Oh, it has lights and sounds for the machine, and then you put the coin in, you turn the Mickey head, and your Squish-a-Lot capsule should come out. So let's see how this works. First, get this box open. Okay, so I got it out of the box, and here are the little coins. So there are 6 coins. That's 25 cents on that side, and Disney Doorables Squish'alots on the other side. So there's one for each of the capsules, and here it comes with instructions. So I don't like that this is here. It's like a sticker, so I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so I took off the sticker. Now you can see the back. It has a little glittery background, and you can see the inside of the machine. And then I have to take this out too. And then there is an on, off, and Chinese switch. So let's get started with this. So we have the 6 capsules. Here are the 6 capsules. So I'm going to deposit the 6 capsules into the machine. The machine has an opening on the top that you can put the capsules in. See? Okay, next we need to insert one of the coins into here. Oh, there's the lights. Did you see that? And then we turn the knob. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I think we got one. Okay, there. Ooh, that's a lot. Now here's the first capsule. Oh, it's so tiny. And this is $6.90. Not sure. But they're not really a surprise anyway, so I think it's fine. It's Olaf. Okay, that's so cute. Here's little Olaf. You see him? And he has a snow cone. Is that a snow cone? Oh, I think that's cute. Oh, I'm squishing his head. Okay, that is so cute. He's squishy. Squish, squish. And then he has that thing on the bottom that you can put him on a peg, I think. Okay, so I'll give you a better view of them all when I'm done, because this is so big. Okay, so I'm not going to talk through this one because I want you to see the lights and the sounds. That's cute. Okay, here's the second one. And I think this is just a great display case also. I can put them all back in there in their little capsules. So this is 5. And it's Minnie. That is cute. Okay, she's blowing a big old bubble. That is so cute. Okay, well, her paint is a little Not great, but I think it's still cute. She's, yeah, not great, but it's okay. Okay, this is such a cute product. Okay, next we have 4 more coins and 4 more capsules. And it's 2. Stitch. Yay! Oh, he has 3D glasses on. And I think he's holding a popcorn bucket. Love it. He's so cute. Cute, cute, cute. I think this would be a good display case just to put the Doorables in. You could just have all your duplicates sitting in there. I think that would be cute. Okay, I'm gonna shake this up so it makes it easier for the machine to pick up the capsules. This one's 3. And it's Ralph. This one's cute. Look at his feet. I think his foot is a little messed up. He looks like he's pointing his toes into the air. But I think that's cute. So I feel like the Squish-a-lot aren't the best production-wise, but they're cute. Still, okay. There's Ralph. Okay, I don't think he's gonna stand. Okay, he's barely standing. Okie dokie. Now we have 2 more. How fun is this? I can't believe how cute this is. It's such a good idea. I think the last 2 that we have are Mickey and Vanellope. Oops, there goes one of the capsules. This one's 1, and it's Mickey. He has a big lollipop. Yeah, you can see the paint job is not great. Look at his face. Yikes. Let's make this a little bit better, please. Oh well. There's Mickey, and lastly, we have 1 more. Okay, last one is, if I can get it open, Princess Vanellope. So I'm not sure what she's holding. This one's a little bit better quality-wise, but that's cute. I wish she had her barrettes in her hair. She only has her bow, but I love Vanellope. She's one of my favorites. So I really like this series because, or this product because it had 3 of my favorite characters, Vanellope, Minnie, and Stitch. If you noticed, the coins didn't go anywhere. Let's see where they had to get them out. Oh, I think this is it. Yep, here are the coins. So that's nice that it has a place for them to be stored so you don't wind up losing them. So I think this is such a cute item. Goodbye for me. Although the characters are a little imperfect, should I say. So let me set this up so you can see them. Here's a final look at the Disney Doorables Squish'alots Capsule Surprise Machine. That's the official name, and I think this is such a cute item. Such a good idea. And I love the characters, although some of them aren't perfect. Did you like this? I think this is I hope they come up with more of these because this is so cute. I can't wait to see what they come up with next. If you haven't seen, they're coming out with a Star Wars series. So there's going to be a Star Wars vehicle series, Star Wars Puffalots, I think that's what they're called, the little squishy stuffies. And then there's also going to be Doorables collection that are Star Wars. So I'm hoping to get my hands on those soon, and when I do, I'll make sure to open it with you. I think they're available at Walmart right now. And let me know, did you like this product? I think it's super cute. What do you think? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time as we open more fun things together. Thanks. Bye.